Torn pages, every chapter misdirection. Heart heavy, mind trapped in reflection. Late nights, dark thoughts, endless introspection. Rebuild phoenix from the ash, new direction. Mirror's edge, staring at the fractures. Pieces fall, can't stall the manufacture. New dawn, rise above disaster. Echoes fade, I am my own master. Lonely nights, silhouettes in the shadows. Old me, ghosted on the gallows. Painted dreams on cracked up walls, wallows. Rise up, find peace in the hollows. Mirror's edge, staring at the fractures. Pieces fall, can't stall the manufacture. New dawn, rise above disaster. Echoes fade, I am my own master. Mirror's edge, staring at the fractures. Pieces fall, can't stall the manufacture. New dawn, rise above disaster. Echoes fade, I am my own master. Scars tell tales, battles won but tethered. Loose ends tie up, no more weathered. Breathe deep, move light, stay feathered. Living now, bright future, untethered. Mirror's edge, staring at the fractures. Pieces fall, can't stall the manufacture. New dawn, rise above disaster. Echoes fade, I am my own master. Mirror's edge, staring at the fractures. Pieces fall, can't stall the manufacture. New dawn, rise above disaster. Echoes fade, I am my own master. Scars tell tales, battles won but tethered. Loose ends tie up, no more weathered. Breathe deep, move light, stay feathered. Living now, bright future, untethered. Echoes fade, I am my own master.
I wanna swim in those dollar signs, dive deep into treasure that's hard to find. Stack my coins high, watch my empire rise.